In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own stickers directly inside the TikTok app. So let's open our TikTok app, and then you're going to open a TikTok slideshow or a photo or video from which you want to create that sticker. I'm going to open this winter video from Switzerland just as an example for this tutorial, and then let's create our custom sticker. Your job is to tap on this share icon at the right side of the screen until the sharing menu appears. You'll see a bunch of options at the bottom, but let's scroll here and then look for this little Create Sticker option. I'm going to tap on this, but if you don't see this button in the share sheet, then the creator probably didn't enable this option for the video, so you cannot create a sticker from that specific video. You'll have to open another one and find this Create Sticker option. Once you tap on this button, it's going to open a little editor where we have the options to trim our sticker by dragging these. We can also add a text to the sticker, use the crop tool and crop our video or our photo and so on. Take your time here and edit the sticker, after which we're going to click on Next at the top right. You can make this sticker public so that anyone can see it, but I'm going to make it private. And we can also add keywords, but I'll skip this step. I'll tap here and then my sticker will be created. Now, how can you find your stickers which you had created? That's pretty easy as well. I'm going to open my TikTok profile page and you're going to see a little sticker icon next to the videos icon. If I tap on this, I have the ability to send this to a friend, view the original video, add it to the store, or I can delete the sticker completely.